Good morning, I am Purnima and I welcome you to my English class, students. And today I will be teaching you that how to change the pronouns in the narration. This is very important because this is the base for changing from direct to indirect speech, and if you will not be able to do this, your narration will always be wrong. Okay. So children, first of all, I should tell you that what is the first person, what is the second person, and what is the third person. So what is the first person? First person, children, is in singular it is I, and in second person it is we. Okay, first person singular, plural, I, we. Second person, you, your, you. Third person, he, she, it, name, singular thing. Then here, children, they. First person, second person, and third person, and children, you should know about it, otherwise children, you will do the things wrong. Okay, now children, I will be taking the two parts. I will be telling what are the two parts in the reported part. So the first part is, you can see, he says to Ram, I am a student. He says to Ram, I am a student. Okay. He says to Ram, I am a student. Alright. So, children, two parts of the reported speech here is, this is the reporting part and this is the reporting verb. This is very important, and this is the reported part with the part which is in the inverted comma. This is the reported part. Okay, this is the reported part. The part which is there in the inverted comma, that is a reported part. Now, children, we have to see if first person is here inside the reported comma, then it will be changed according to the subject of the reporting part. First of all, you understand the two parts. What are the two parts? First part is reporting part, and the second part which is inside the inverted comma is the reported part. Okay, so first part is the reporting part, and you have to see the reporting verb. So what is the reporting verb here? Reporting verb here is says. Alright, reporting verb here is says. Then children, what is the first person in the reported part? The first person in the reported part is I. That is I. Okay, so this will change I. The first person will change according to the subject. So what I will write here? He, and here tells will be there because object is there. Okay, here what we will write? Says to will change into tells because object Ram is here. Okay, what is the object in the reporting part? This. If object would not have been there, so there wouldn't be any changes. He tells that. So here children, this will change according to this. So here it is that he is a student. Okay. So I hope this you have understood it. Okay. He says to Ram that he is a student. Now you have to change here the from the reporting part, you have to change it from reported part, reported direct to indirect speech. So indirect speech, we have removed the inverted comma, we have removed the center comma here. Okay, and instead of inverted comma, we have joined with the conjunction that, and then children we are going to change the fourth point is to change the pronoun. So how to change the pronoun? So this is the first person, it will change into according to the subject here. But that's why here we are having, instead of I, we are having he. Now we cannot write am with he, so we have written is, because here it is present tense, so the reported part will also be in the present tense. So this you have to see. Now let's take another example. She says, I play Ludo. Now children, read the sentence. She says that I play Ludo. Okay. Now, so children, you first thing you have to see what is the reporting part here. Okay, what is a reporting part here? So here reporting part is children, she says, and what is the reported part here? I play. Now reported part, you have to see children here what is the subject here in the reporting part? She. And what is the first person here? I. What is the first person here? I. What is the first person here? I. So I will be changing according to the subject. So what will be happening here? She says that she plays Ludo. Remove the inverted comma, remove the central comma. I will be changing according to the subject. What is the subject here? She. Okay. So this you have to see here. I is changing according to she. She is a subject here. Now the third sentence is here. Seema says. Okay. So this is reporting part. I like sweets. So what will happen? Seema says, remove the inverted comma, remove central comma and write the conjunction that. Seema says that. Now the fourth point is that we have to change the pronoun. How you are going to change the pronoun? First person. It will change according to the subject. See, the subject is Seema. Okay. So we will write here she. Seema says that she likes sweets. Okay. So this is the way children we change this pronoun. Now, one other example I will be taking. If the reported speech is in the which pronoun will be used? If the pronoun children which we will use here, the pronoun will be used here as you. Ram says to me, you are dull. Ram says to me, you are dull. Okay. So children, here since object is here given here, so what we will write here? We have to remove says to. Ram tells me. Remove the inverted comma, remove the central comma and use the conjunction that. Now children, this is here, you is here and you will be changed according to the second person. What is the second person here? the second person here is me. So here it will change according to the object. So here I am done, because you will be changing according to the object, and object is me. Okay, and when object is me, okay, so here me will change into I. Now one more example. So children, try, you have to see the second person will change according to the object of the reporting part. Once again, one more sentence I am going to write. Tom says to you. You are done. So children, first of all, you have to see this is the subject, this is the object, and reporting verb. So children, you have to remove says to and change into tells. Okay, so Tom tells you that, remove the inverted comma, remove the central comma, put the conjunction that. Now children, you will be changed according to the object. And what is the object here? This is the object. So here you will be there. Tom tells you that you are done. Okay. In this way we are changing. Amar says to Rana. The third sentence, Amar says to Rana. Amar says to Rana, you are ill. Now change it. So here Amar says to will change into tells. Amar tells Rana. Remove the inverted comma, remove the central comma, put the conjunction that. Now children, here second person is that will be changed according to Rana, because this is the object and second person always change according to the object of the reporting part. So children, that he is ill. Okay, so now I have taught you children about the pronoun of the second person. Okay. Now children, so these are some of the things. Okay, you should know this is the way the pronouns are changed. So one more example I am giving. Ram says to me, Ram says to me, you should mind your own business. Ram tells me that instead of me you will write here I should mind. Okay, now yours is second person. So what you will write here? Mind, my. So children, these are the ways, okay, that I'm changing you how these things are changed, right? So now children, this is the children how pronouns are changed, okay. Now after pronoun children, tenses is also there. You have to see the tenses and you have to learn the table. Like I told you, simple present will change into simple past, okay. And then children, some other words also you have to remember, okay, like tenses like simple present will change to simple past will change into past perfect. So all these things you have to remember, okay. Then only children you can do the tenses. Now one thing, let me make you clear that I think pronouns are clear to you, and if the third person is present inside the inverted comma, so no changes will be there. Remember this thing. If third person is there inside the inverted comma, then there will be no changes, okay. Like Ram tells me that he should mind his own business. Ram says to me he should mind his own business. So children, what will be happen? Ram says to me, Ram tells me, Ram says to me will change to Ram tells me. Remove the inverted comma and write that he should mind his own business, okay. When children third person is there in the reported speech, then there will be no change. Then there will be no change at all. So children, you can see that, all right. So children, now I am coming to the most important thing. If the reporting verb is in the present tense, so what things are changed? First thing, if it is in the present tense, past tense, sorry, what? Reporting verb, okay. Then said to will change into told. Remove the inverted comma. You can write it. Remove the central comma. And add the conjunction that. Change the pronoun. Change the verbs according to the given pronoun. So children, these 8 things will be there. Okay. So now I will putting some question and I will be asking you some important. I will explain the important question. I will be giving you some important question and you will answer. Now children, I will be giving you some important question. Okay. And you change according to it. This you once again I revise. Remove the inverted comma if past tense reporting verb is in the past tense. Said to will change to told. Remove the inverted comma. Remove the central comma. Add the conjunction that. Change the pronoun. Change the verb. Change the tenses. Children, tenses here they see here tenses of the whole reported part. Okay. Then change the other word. Change the tenses of the reported part. Change the tenses like if simple present is there, you have to write it into simple past. Now, so children, one sentence I am giving. Now children, if you will read this sentence, you will find it out that this is in the present tense. Okay, no, in the past tense, because the reporting verb here is in the past tense. So children, first of all, we have to change the inverted comma, we have to remove the central comma, we have to put the conjunction that. Now children, how you are going to change the pronoun, how you are going to change the tenses, how you are going to change the other words. So let's see. Mr. Gupta said that remove the inverted comma, remove the central comma, put the conjunction that. Now children, here I is there, which will be changed according to the subject of the reporting part. So what will happen? Mr. Gupta said that here he shall be changed into would. Right? Now children, two things you have to see here. He, I is changed according to the subject, so I put here he. And children, shall, when we change the other word, so shall is changed into should or would. Okay, so here should is not appropriate if you will look by the grammar point of view. So here children, would will be there. Alright. Now, so children, I hope you have understood. Now, few more thing I will be giving. Rama said, she said that, okay, what you will say? She said that, now change it, he will change according to the subject here. So she came She,
दो बार उसके बाद कुंडी लगा ली
she said that he came at dinner time. She said that he came at dinner time. Okay. So children, here one thing is wrong. And what is that? You can see children, it is simple past. So past tense will change into past perfect. Okay. So here it will be here. He had come. Now children, if simple if reporting verb is in the simple if in the past tense, so children, I told you have to see through few things. First, said to will change into told, but here said to is not there, only said is there, and the object is also not present in the reporting part. So children, what you are going to do? So there will be no change here. No told will be written here, only said will be written. You have to remove the inverted comma. You have removed center comma. We have removed and put the conjunction that. Now he will change according to she here, according to the subject. So here she is here. No, here we will write she. And then came. See the tenses. You have to change the tenses also. Came is in the simple past, and simple past will change into past perfect. So he had come at dinner time. So this would be the correct answer. Okay. Now you have seen children how the if the reporting verb is in the past tense, how we are changing the sentence. Okay. So three things you have to see. You have to change the children. You have to change the what? You have to change the pronoun. You have to change the tenses, and you have to change the other words. Now children, you can see this sentence. Okay. He said Ram was playing football. Now children, first thing you have to see what is the reporting verb here. So what is the reporting verb is here? Said. But here one thing you have to see, here object of the reporting verb is not given. Okay. And to is not there with said. So said will not be changed into told. So what you will write? The same thing. He said. Children, remove the inverted comma. Remove the central comma, put the conjunction that. Now, Ram is in the third person, so there will be no change in Ram. Okay. Ram, right? Ram here is the third person, no change. Now, children, was playing. The tenses is past continuous, and children, it will become past perfect continuous. So had been playing football. So no change in Ram. Why no change in Ram? Because Ram is a name and this is a third person. We never changes third person. Okay. Then children, was playing. Past continuous will change into past perfect continuous. This I have told you. Past tense will change to past perfect continuous. And children, you can see here football. So he said that Ram had been playing football. Okay. So children, this is how the tenses are changed. Now children, please pay attention. Once again I tell you, if the tense here, if the person here in the reported part is in the first person, so it change according to the subject of the reporting part. If there is a second person in the reported part, okay, if there is a second person in the reported part, then it will change according to the object of the reporting part. And in this sentence, this is the third person. So in third person we will never have change. It will not even change with the subject, or if the object would have been there, it will never change according to the object. It would be written as usual. So if third person is there, it would be written like that only. Okay. So this is the things children which I have taught you, and I hope now the pronoun is clear, and that how the tenses are changed, that is also clear. Okay, how children this thing, other words will be there. How that is clear, that also I will be telling you by giving you few example in my next video. Okay, so wait for the next video. And in the next video, now these were the example of the assertive sentence. Now children, I will be teaching you about interrogative sentence. Okay, I will be teaching you about interrogative sentence. Okay, with this I conclude my chapter here. Thank you and have a nice day.